In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a rewind effect in CapCut, step by step, in a way that's quick, beginner-friendly, and easy to repeat on any clip. This is a great effect if you want to add energy, make a moment look dramatic, or give your video that classic fast rewind feel. And if you want more easy CapCut tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the footage you want to edit. Drag your clip down into the timeline so you can work directly with it. The rewind effect works best when you isolate just the section you want to play backward. So the first thing we need to do is create that separate section. Move your playhead to the point where you want the rewind to begin. Once it's in the right spot, press Ctrl and B to split the clip. This cuts the footage at that exact frame. Then move the playhead to where you want the rewind section to end and press Ctrl and B again to make a second split. Now you have a middle section separated from the rest of the footage. That isolated middle clip is the part we're going to turn into the rewind effect. Select that clip, then press Ctrl and C to copy it, and press Ctrl and V to paste it right next to the original. Duplicating it gives you a clean version to reverse without destroying your original timing. This is especially useful if you want to compare the normal motion and the rewind version side by side, or if you want to keep a backup in case you need to adjust it later. Now select the duplicated clip. On the toolbar above the timeline, look for the reverse button. It usually looks like a play icon wrapped inside a circular arrow. Click that and CapCut will begin reversing the footage. You'll see a progress bar that says reversing clip, so give it a moment to finish. Depending on the length of your video, this can take a few seconds. Once the reverse process is complete, you'll already have the basic rewind effect. But if you want that classic fast rewind look, the next step is to speed it up. With the reverse clip still selected, go to the Speed tab in the top right settings panel. From there, increase the multiplier to 5x or even 10x, depending on how fast you want it to feel. A higher speed gives you that punchy, high-energy rewind style that works really well for social media edits, transitions, and dramatic highlights. If your clip has audio and you do not want the sound to reverse too, there's an extra step you should do before reversing the footage. Separate the audio first. That way, the video can rewind visually while you keep the original sound, remove it completely, or replace it with a better rewind sound effect. This makes a huge difference in making the final edit sound clean and professional. After that, play the timeline back and check how the effect looks. If it feels too slow, increase the speed a little more. If it feels too fast or hard to follow, lower it slightly until it matches the style you want. Small adjustments here can completely change the feel of the final edit, so don't be afraid to experiment. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a rewind effect in CapCut. Once you know this method, you can use it for intros, transition moments, reaction clips, sports edits, vlog moments, or any scene where you want to add a stylish reverse motion. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.